Division of decimals. We have already learnt about division of whole numbers. Now, we shall learn here the division of decimals by whole number as well as by decimals. Example 1. Find the quotient of 5.25 divided by 3. Solution. Step 1. Dividing ones. Here, first digit is 5 ones. So, 5 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 2. So, we write 1 in the ones place in the quotient. We also write decimal in the quotient. Step 2. Regroup. 2 ones and 2 tenths is equal to 22 tenths. So, now we divide 22 tenths by 3. 22 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Remainder is equal to 1. So, we write 7 in tenths place in the quotient. Step 3. Regroup. 1 tenth, 5 hundredths is equal to 15 hundredths. So, now we divide 15 hundredths by 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Remainder is equal to 0. So, we write 5 in hundredths place in quotient. Thus, 5.25 divided by 3 is equal to 1.75.